Night Lance 480 High Needle versus Scythe 460 Taper. Let the battle begin. This Beyblade battle is basically Multi Naniro versus Bird Kazami. And yeah, these two players have battled before, but this time Multi is using Night Lance, and Bird is, well, hopefully more experienced by this point in time. Now, let's see who wins. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Oh! Huge recoil. Okay, Night Lance actually burst into pockets. I'm not sure which one happened first, the burst or the knockout. Either way, Scythe wins that round with an over finish or burst finish, either one. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay, Scythe is going a little crazy. And Night Lance wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Huge hit! And Night Lance wins with a counter attack. Night Lance wins that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay. Scythe is a little aggressive. Night Lance is in the center. Yeah, I was used to saying Night Lance, but either way, Night Lance is wobbling a little. Let's see if it works in his favor. Oh wow! Huge counterattack, and Night Lance wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! That was crazy! Okay, Scythe wins that round with a burst finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Scythe is hitting pretty hard. Night Lance is in the center. Night Lance is wobbling a little. And Scythe wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Huge hits! I mean, one huge hit. Scythe was going crazy though. Night Lance is in the center just wobbling. Possibly according to plan. And Night Lance was that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Burst finish! Scythe was that round with a burst finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay. Whoa! Big hit! And Scythe was that round with an over finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay. Scythe delivered a barrage of attacks. It looked like that was almost a burst finish. And Night Lance wins that round with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Extreme finish! Scythe wins that round with an extreme finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Scythe almost got self-extreme. And, oh, burst finish in the end! Scythe wins that round with a burst finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Night Lance was jumping all over the place, and a burst finish! Scythe was that round with a burst finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh no. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, I have no idea who won. I would say overfinish or burst priority, but I have no idea. Oh shoot! Oh wow! Overfinish! Night Lance wins that round with overfinish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Three, two, one, go shoot! What? Okay, that was crazy. I think that was like an overfinish. Wow. Go shoot! Really? Just really? 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Whoa! Was that like 2 or 3 extreme dashes in a row? Wow! How Scythe was that round with the overfinish? 3, 2, 1, go shoot! I mean, it tried. It really tried. Night Lance was that round with the overfinish. I mean, extreme finish, I think. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Extreme dash. Oh, big hit. Let's see who wins. And Night Lance wins with a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Okay, big hit. Oh, and burst finish. How Scythe was that round with the burst finish? 3, 2, 1, go shoot! And how Scythe was that round with the overfinish? 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Whoa! Okay. Okay, fair enough. How Scythe was that round with the overfinish? So, if you want to support this channel, feel free to go to the link in the description. The link goes to Mall Toys. And when you click the link, you'll actually go to the channel. You'll actually go to the site itself. Whether you buy the link to Mall Toys will actually support the channel in the process. And I also have coupon codes. They are the legendary art, and it works for Beyblade Bricks and Mall Toys. On Beyblade Bricks it's 87% off, and on Mall Toys it's 85% off. And if you'd like to support me in a non-financial way, you could like, comment, share, or subscribe. All those things help a lot. Thank you, I appreciate it. I appreciate your support. And the battle was really crazy, but I'll announce the winner right now. Your winner is Hell Scythe 460 Taper. So, like if you want, share if you want, and subscribe to become a legend in the making. See you next time, bye, and we are proven to be legendary. Stay legendary.